हेलो दोस्तों, ये है हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 5 और इस चैप्टर का रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ चैप्टर का लास्ट लेक्चर है। इसमें हम पढ़ेंगे इनफर्टिलिटी। ठीक है। ए डिस्कशंस ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ is incomplete without a mentions of infertility. ठीक है। A large numbers of couples all over the world including India are infertile, that is they are unable to produce children in spite of unprotected sexuals or cohabitations. ठीक है। The reasons for this could be many: physical, congenital disease, drugs, immunological, ठीक है, और इवन फिजियोलॉजिकल। ठीक है। इन इंडिया ऑफ्टन द फीमेल्स इज ब्लेम्ड फॉर द कपल्स ऑफ बीइंग चाइल्डलेस, बट मोर ऑफ्टन देन नॉट द प्रॉब्लम लाइज इन द मेल पार्टनर। देखो जी, मेल पार्टनर में प्रॉब्लम पाई जाती है। ठीक है। स्पेशलाइज्ड हेल्थ केयर यूनिट्स, infertility clinics, etc. could help in diagnosis and corrective treatment of some of these disorders and enables these couples to have children. However, where such corrections are not possible, the couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques commonly known as assisted reproductive technologies, ART। ठीक है। अब इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशंस, IVF फर्टिलाइजेशन जिसको बोलते हैं, आउटसाइड द बॉडी इज ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर कंडीशंस एज दैट इन द बॉडी, followed by the embryo transfer in one such methods. In this method, popularly known as test tube baby program, ova from the wife donor females and sperm from the husband donors males are collected and are induced to form zygote under simulated conditions in the laboratory. The zygote are early embryos with up to 8 blastomeres could then be transferred into fallopian tube. अब zift zygote intra fallopian tubes and embryo with more than 8 blastomeres, zift में embryo with more than 8 blastomeres in the uterus, into the uterus। ठीक है। अब IUT इंट्रा यूटेराइन ट्रांसफर to complete its further development, embryos formed by in vivo fertilization, fusions of gamete within the females. In vivo fertilization, fusion of gamete within the females also could be used. Such transfer to assist those females who cannot conceive। ठीक है। ट्रांसफर of in ovum collectively from donors into the fallopian tubes, transfer of an ovum collected from a donor into a fallopian tube, gift gamete into fallopian transfer of another female who cannot produce once but can produce a suitable environment for fertilizations, and further development is another method is attempted। Intracytoplasmic sperm injection, ICSI, is another specialized procedure to form an embryo in the laboratory in which a sperm is directly injected into the ovum। ठीक है। Infertility cases either due to inability to male partner to inseminate the female or due to very low sperm counts in the ejaculates could be correctly आर्टिफिशली इंसेमिनेशन एआई, ठीक है, एआई टेक्निक से जब स्पर्म काउंट कम होगा एआई से क्या करेंगे, इंसेमिनेशन करेंगे। इन दिस टेक्निक द semen collected either from the husband or healthy donor is artificially introduced either into the vagina or into the uterus, vagina में या यूट्रस में। IUI इंट्रा यूटेराइन इंसेमिनेशन ऑफ द फीमेल, IUI किस में होता है, इंट्रा यूटेराइन इंसेमिनेशन ऑफ द फीमेल, ठीक है। दो ऑप्शंस are many. All these techniques require extremely high precision handling by specialized professionals and expensive instrumentations. Therefore, these facilities are presently available only in very few centers in the country, ठीक है। ऑब्वियसली देयर बेनिफिट्स इज अफेक्टेबल टू ओनली लिमिटेड people. Emotional, religious and socials are also determined in the adoptions of these methods, since the ultimate aim of all these procedures is to have children. In India we have so many orphaned and destitute children who would probably not survive till majority unless taken care of. Our laws permit legal adoptions and is of yet one of the most methods of couples looking for parenthood, ठीक है। अब हम थोड़ी समरी देख लेते हैं, ठीक है, थोड़ी थोड़ी देखेंगे, समरी थोड़ी थोड़ी देख लेते हैं, ठीक है। Reproductive health refers to a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, that is physical, emotional, behavior and social. Our nations was the first nations in the world initiated various actions plans at national levels towards attaining reproductive health, society counseling and creating awareness among peoples about reproductive organs, adolescence and associated changes, safe and hygienic sexual protection, sexually transmitted infection STI including AIDS, ठीक है, is the primary step towards reproductive health, providing medical facilities and cure of the problems like menstrual irregularity, pregnancy related aspects, delivery, medical terminations of pregnancy, STI, birth control, infertility, postnatal child and maternal management is another important aspect of the reproductive and child health care, ठीक है। In overall improvement in reproductive health has taken place in our country as indicated to reduce maternal and infant mortality rate, early detections and cure STI, assistance infertile couples, ठीक है, etc. Improvement health facilities, better living conditions promoted to exploding growth of populations. Such growth necessitates intense propaganda of contraceptive methods. Various contraceptive options are available now, such as natural, traditional, barrier, IUDs pills, injectables, implants, and surgical methods. Though contraceptives are not regular requirements for procedures, health, one is forced to use them to avoid pregnancy or delay or space pregnancy, ठीक है। अब ये क्या है, मेडिकल terminations of pregnancy is legalized in our country. MTP is generally performed to get rid of unwanted due to rapes, casual relationship, etc., ठीक है। As also in cases when continuations of pregnancy could be harmful or even fatal to either द मदर और द fetus आर बोथ। ठीक है। Infections or diseases transmitted through sexual intercourse or sexually transmitted disease STI। ठीक है। pelvic inflammatory pelvic सॉरी एक मिनट pelvic पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है। pelvic inflammatory disease PID still birth infertility are some of the complications of them। early detections facilitate better cure of these diseases। avoiding sexual intercourse with unknown multiple partner, use of condoms during coitus are some of the simple precautions to avoid contracting STI। ठीक है। STIs इनएबिलिटी मतलब कमज़ोरी होती है टू कंसीव मतलब हमला होना। ठीक है। टू प्रोड्यूस चिल्ड्रंस इवन आफ्टर टू ईयर्स, 2 साल तक मतलब कोई बच्चा नहीं होना, उसको बोलते हैं अनप्रोटेक्टेड सेक्सुअल कोहैबिटेशन, इसका इनफर्टिलिटी बोलते हैं उसको। वेरियस मेथड्स आर नाउ अवेलेबल टू हेल्प सच कपल्स। इन विट्रो फर्टिलाइजेशन फॉलोड बाय ट्रांसफर एम्ब्रियो इनटू फीमेल जेनेटिक ट्रैक्ट इज वन सच मेथड्स इन कॉमनली नोन एज टेस्ट ट्यूब बेबी प्रोग्राम्स। तो हमारा चैप्टर ख़त्म हो चुका है। ठीक है, चैप्टर एंड हो गया।